Hi everyone. I've had a lot of questions about exactly what temperature a cake should be removed from the pan. And basically, you want to be able to handle it, so it should be barely warm but not cold. All right. If it's too cold, there's a little condensation and moisture underneath the cake and it can stick to the pan. So I take a knife, all right, in this case I'm using a butter knife, and I'm going to go around the outside of the pan, okay? Just go around. Do this over the sink in case you have any excess flour. Remember, you floured it and parchment papered it. And then you put your knife away and you just sort of shimmy shake it. Just shimmy shake. See it? See how it's loosening up? You see it? And then I take a cake circle that I've covered in foil, flip it over and go, huzzah! And it is perfectly out of the pan. There you go. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Become a subscriber. Till next time.